What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. This video is all about my nighttime routine from head to toe. Girl, I'm looking busted and don't look like I can be trusted right now. So, you know I'm getting ready to whack this hair off, huh? Yeah, and I made that scrub and I'm going to be using that during my shower today. I am getting ready to tackle this afro and try to get some sense back into this hair. It's rough. It's really rough. And I'm going to start back using my Jamaican black castor oil. I put some in my shampoo. So, honey, get ready to get this hair back to life. Yes, I will. It won't be long now, but I'm just combing through all the kinks and catches right now. And in the meantime, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already? And if you're already one of my beautiful babes, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Clippers are in hand. It's time to go ahead and do the doggone thing. Cutting it down low, y'all. Getting rid of all the dead hair, everything that I don't need. And you say, girl, I cannot cut my own hair. Well, honey, it's mine. And if I mess it up, it's all good. It will grow back. So I'm just going, these are my big clippers, I call them. I can't remember what brand this is, but I will link it in the description for you. So I'm just taking off a little bit at a time, going back and forth, trying to make sure I get all of the long hair off the head. Honey, honey. And my hair grows in different directions, so I have to try it in every direction possible. So now I went ahead, I put on some smaller guards to get even lower. Yeah, we're going all the way, all the way, all the way in. Yes, we are. And I've been talking about this now for how long? For a minute. And you know when I first talk about it and mention it again, you know it's gonna happen, right? Yes, you already know. And y'all, I'm feeling much relieved already. This is feeling real good. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. Yes, I am. Check out that girl cut my hair without a mirror in the back, honey. What? You know I've been doing this for a long time, right? Absolutely, I have. And y'all can see my edges are very thin. I have not been doing my Jamaican black castor oil like I had previously. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and start back on that. Now I have my mirror. So just trimming the back. And I have sped up the video. So don't think I'm going this fast, girl. I ain't that good. But I am knocking it down little by little, checking to make sure I get every little area if possible. And you know, honey, when I put the color in there, you ain't gonna tell it no way. You ain't gonna be able to tell it at all. Get it styled and get it laid down. Hey, it's all good. Now, I don't do a line on my hair because it grows back so fast. So I just keep my natural hairline all around. So now I have my little peanut. Now the little peanut girl, it's gonna trim it on down. Yeah, I love this little thing. It's lightweight, but this is my favorite little trimmer. Oh yeah, yes indeed, my own personal little trimmer, and it has the one guard, which is a very low guard. But now I've done the hair. I'm finished with the hair, y'all. You know what I got to do now. Mama got to take care of other things. Okay. I did that. Now I finished my shower and honey, I feel so good. I washed my hair, of course, and y'all, I wanted to color my hair, but when I checked out the cabinet, I had no hair color left. But believe it, when I get this face beat, before I do my face today, yeah, I'm going to have it all done. Hair is going to be colored and all. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes, and now I'm just moisturizing my face, putting my products on my hair. I'll have everything that I use on my hair listed. And I wanted to show you when I shaved my legs, my armpits, I used the glycerin soap And that body wash is what I used for my, just smell good on my back, arms, legs, yeah, shoulders, etc. And beautiful babes, I'm done. I'm done. That's it. But I did need to brush my teeth, and I did that, and my deodorant, all of that good stuff. And y'all, Dial soap is what I use to shower with. And every product that I use is going to be listed. I gargle with some Pro Health mouthwash. So this is how I do my nighttime routine. Oh yeah, I'm still using Dial antibacterial soap. Love that so much. When you're cleaning out that, that girl thing, that girl thing around the sides and, buttocks area, I use my Dial antibacterial soap. And armpits, yes, I use my Dial antibacterial soap. And really my feet and all of that, I wash completely first with that, and then I'll put on some Smell Good body wash afterwards most of the time, but not all the time. And now I'm just brushing my teeth. Of course, I use Tom's for my teeth, and my electric toothbrush. I'll have everything listed below. But this is it, y'all. This is what I do. And just getting ready to hit the sack. But I will do my hair color. I'll try to make sure I let y'all in on that. Yeah, I'm going to do my hair color on camera and let y'all see that process. Again, I know I've done it before, but I just went ahead and put a little bit of Vaseline on my feet and hair and so forth. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And share your girl with your world. See you real soon. Bye.